Hi y'all, Karma here. I hope you're having a great day. Today we are going to be opening the Crystal Council box. Yeah, I'll see if I can get the tags right this time because I did Enchanted Crystal video that I put out yesterday, and I put on all the chapter tags. I put Crystal Council instead of Enchanted Crystal. I get these two confused in my head when I'm talking about them. I actually know the difference, but it's kind of like your kids and their names, you know, where you call I call my one son, Anyway, back on track. So the Crystal Council is a monthly box, and there are different levels that you can get for the subscription. I get the Master Box, which is $50 a month, and includes 5 large crystals, 2 medium tumbled crystals, and then tools and trinkets and a scroll. At the beginning of the month, you get a questionnaire and you write to them what you'd like to work on, and then the stones are supposed to be centralized around what you sent them back. So there are different levels of boxes that will be included in the video description if you want to look at that to see. And I did get a special code that will also be in the video description that will give you $5 off your first box. And that is an affiliate link, so I do get $5 as well, just in full disclosure. But they don't pay me to make these videos. If no one orders anything, I don't make anything from it. So I get the box just mostly to share with you and to learn about different crystals and then utilize them in our meditations or our crystal grids. So let's look back really quickly on what we got last month. Last month we had the Moss Agate, the Green Adventurine, Sodalite, the Serpentine, the Sweetgrass, and then the Concrete Elephant. We had Black Kyanite, the beautiful Black Kyanite, large Black Kyanite, the Angelite Polished Palm Stone, and the Shadakite as well. So all their stones are always super beautiful, and I just wanted to remind you a little bit about last month, especially if you're looking at trying to get this box. I find doing a quick little review of last month's box where you can see and compare at least 2 months in the same video might be helpful to you. You know that when I do this box, I like to change the camera angle so that you can see the stones up close and personal. So give me just a sec and we'll get opening this box. Okay, so first we have our little newsletter, and on the front it talks about a handcrafted card from Nepal, and I saw the envelope in there. And this is their newsletter for November. Hold it there so you can read it if you want to later. You can pause the video. And here's the handcrafted Nepal envelope. It's so cute. Of course, I have a affinity towards, oh, and look, a 50% off. Thanksgiving Day through Cyber Monday, so I don't know if it's already off, but I'll show that to you. But those cards are so cute, super duper cute. And I have an affinity for Nepal and that region because of my studies in Tibetan Buddhism. So how cute is that? Next we have Giving Back is the Best Gift. And in November, they're going to be giving back, buying toys for kids with the extra money. And first we have Mahogany Obsidian. Mahogany Obsidian activates our lower 3 chakras and stimulates growth, sexuality, strength, and creativity. This stone works to unlock and push our creative energy into free-flowing motion throughout our body. Creativity is much like a muscle. When you stop using it, it will slowly fade away. This stone helps in releasing and reactivating those energies for you to take advantage of. Let's see, next we have a peach moonstone. I've wanted a moonstone so bad. I don't have any. And peach is one of my favorite colors. Purple first. Pretty. Oh my gosh, look how pretty that is. Oh, that is just gorgeous. Peach Moonstone shares the same divine feminine energy as other moonstone varieties, but offers an extra special connection between your heart and personal will, or your solar plexus. One will also continue to share the same protective qualities of Moonstone as you work to explore your creative and loving energies and how you might be able to improve them. Peach Moonstone is a more inward-loving mineral and helps reignite your passion for all things that make you happy in this world. As one's mind is continuously cluttered with nonsense and emotion-induced thinking, our true character gets left behind. Okay, and now we have an Aquamarine. Really big, nice chunk. Looks like it's raw. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love that. Aquamarine establishes a clear connection between the heart and throat chakras. This stone only allows one to speak from the heart in words of the highest truths. The water element within the stone allows a calming feeling to arise when one communicates genuinely how they feel. The beauty of the stone is the pure communication that comes with it. Aquamarine can take an argument and turn it into a talk, while also being able to turn tears into laughter. We recommend this stone to any teacher, therapist, or public speaker. Nice, carry that around with you when you're needing to talk to someone and have a hard conversation. And I did find in the bottom of the box some of the obsidian that had chipped off that was right there, but no big deal to me, so I just wanted to show you. The next we have Petrified wood. Well, this looks like a really pretty palm stone that's polished. I have one really pretty petrified wood that shows all the... Oh, wow. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh. I'm going to be using this, I can tell. The petrified wood is technically a fossil, but hails from the quartz family due to its being agatized. Due to some pieces of petrified wood being over 2 million years old, it has no problem assisting in past life recall. Petrified wood turns past struggles into new strengths. Your past life recalls are here to assist you in learning from your previous challenges to use them as new strengths. This is an immortal stone and has literally withstood the test of time, much like yourself. Wow, that's gorgeous. So what do we have next? It looks like we have a limonite. Limonite? I don't know how to pronounce it. I've never heard of that before. Let me know if you have. Oh, wow. Oh, how unusual. That's really different. Oh, but so pretty. I've never seen one of these before. Limonite holds us close to Mother Earth and provides the necessary strength needed to move forward during situations of stress and overwhelming anxiety. The grounding vibrations released during meditation root one to this planet while providing protection of one's entire aura and physical body. With your eyes shut, imagine roots of a tree lightly entangling your body, binding and nurturing your daily vessel with complete restorative energies. One's entire emotional and energetic body will then begin to purify. Love is where it all begins, and the love for your own body and mind is the crucial piece to life we aren't taught in schools. With self-acceptance, as well as putting yourself on the path of your choosing, one can alter their entire life course for the better. I'm going to be doing a meditation with that. That is gorgeous. And last but not least, we have our little bonus bag with 2 small polished stones in it. So let's start with this one. This one is an Orthoclase. Orthoclase? Again, don't know this one. I love getting new stones and trying to learn them. Orthoclase offers up vital enhancing energies for anyone looking to transform their lives and find love, happiness, and joy within. Aren't we all always looking for that? The vibrations coming off this stone help ground you down to the physical plane while helping you truly understand your earthly emotions. As one becomes more connected with themselves, they may begin to have completely different thoughts. This is the process of Orthoclase, relinquishing the minuscule stressors that we carry and imbuing one with a sense of clarity and life force energy. These are vital aspects to one's personal growth and will help develop the pure lifestyle our soul is chasing. And our last little polished stone is a beautiful piece of jet. Jet has a deep connection with Mother Earth due to its formation composing of decaying wood under extreme pressure over the course of thousands of years. Meditating with this stone roots one down to the realm and provides an abundance of positive and prosperous energy. For thousands of years, people have associated this stone with bringing them luck and good fortune, while also strengthening their belief in nature's energies. Over time, jet has even garnered the nickname of the transformation stone due to its powerful energies that will push one into change. So in this month's box, we got the Petrified wood, jet, Orthoclase, the peach moonstone, Aquamarine, Limonite, and the Mahogany Obsidian. That is a gorgeous box and some beautiful specimens to work with this month. I'm so excited. I really love this box and think they do such a good job. So what did you think of this month's box? I'm not quite sure what my favorite was. I really feel like this box does such a good job. This is one of my two favorite crystal boxes in that it gives me unique specimens that I don't normally get, that often in the other smaller boxes when they're throwing tumbled stones in or something, I'll get the same stones over and over and over again because they're the most common. That's not necessarily a bad thing because you can always utilize them in your crystal grids, give them to someone else who needs them, that kind of thing. So I'm not disappointed when I get stones I have, but I get really excited when I have stones that I don't have. So for this box, 2 thumbs up again. Great job. Another great month with some great stones to be able to work with. I hope that if you haven't already, you'll give this video a thumbs up and a like. And if you haven't, subscribe and come back to the channel where you can say, Karma's your friend. Bye, y'all.